Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to add keyboard shortcuts in OEC Trader. To do this, you're going to want to head to the top left hand corner of your window and click on the Tools tab. And then navigate your way to Keyboard Shortcuts, which will then open up the Shortcut Manager window. Now you can add keyboard shortcuts to any of the features in OEC, but for this video I'll just be showing you how to add keyboard shortcuts to buy, sell, and exit at market price. So to do this, scroll down to Depth of Market and click on the plus sign. This will open up all the features you can add keyboard shortcuts to. So like I said, I wanted to add a keyboard shortcut for buy at market. So I double click the key section, which will then bring up this window. And as you can see, I can add any of these keys to make a shortcut. So I'll add F1 for buy market, click OK. F2 for sell at market, click OK. And then if I wanted to exit at market, I could make this F3. And click OK. And then save your keyboard shortcuts. Now that you have saved your keyboard shortcuts, let's head over to our DOM chart to test these features out in action. So I'm going to click on my DOM chart on the right hand side of my screen just to activate the window. And now I'm going to press F1 to buy at market price. I press F1 and what do you know? I'm buying a futures contract. Hit OK to activate this transaction and you can close this out. Now let's say I wanted to exit at market price. I will click F3 and as you can see here, I'm exiting at market. Or let's say I wanted to sell a futures contract. Press F2, hit OK, and now I'm in a short position. Like I said earlier, you can add a keyboard shortcut to any feature in the platform. The customization is virtually endless. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content related to the futures market.